Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is about making a large scrunchie. So follow through for the step by step and create your own stylish accessory. Step 1 is to gather your material. You will need fabric of your choice, measuring tape, scissors, elastic band, sewing machine, that one is optional anyway, pins and thread matching the fabric color. Step 2, measure and cut your fabric. For a large scrunchie, measure 37 inches long and 8 inches wide. You can adjust according to your preference. Next step is to sew the fabric. You fold the fabric in half lengthwise, right side facing each other. Leave about 2 inches out at the beginning and end of the stitches. Turn the tube right side out. Then face the top edge together. Pin and sew through using half an inch for the seam allowance. Then you can flip it out. Step 4 is to insert the elastic. Cut a piece of elastic band measuring approximately 8 inches. This length may vary depending on how tight you want your scrunchie to be. Attach a safety pin to the one end of the elastic band. Thread the safety pin through the fabric tube, ensuring it doesn't get lost inside. Once the elastic is threaded through, overlap the ends by about half an inch and sew them together securely. Make sure the elastic is not twisted inside the fabric tube. Step 5 is to close the opening. Fold the rough edges of the fabric inside. Sew along, making sure to catch both sides of the fabric. Now, this is the finishing part of the scrunchie. Then you flop up the fabric to evenly distribute it around the elastic. The large scrunchie is now ready to be used or gifted. Experiment with different fabric and pattern to create unique scrunchies. You can adjust the dimension to make smaller or large scrunchies according to your preference. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on your favorite. Bye.